In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Notion Calendar. If you've ever tried to send someone your Notion calendar, the same way you would with Google Calendar, you've probably noticed it works a bit differently. Notion Calendar focuses on two practical ways to share: sending your availability for bookings and sharing a Notion page or database where your calendar lives. I'll walk you through both so you can choose the right option for your situation. First, the easiest and most direct method is sharing your availability. Open Notion. Calendar. Then look for scheduling or share availability. From there, set the time slots when you're free. Think of these as windows people can pick from without emailing back and forth. Once your windows are set, copy the share link that Notion provides and send it to anyone who needs to book time with you. When they open the link, they'll see only the times you've allowed, and Notion Calendar automatically checks for conflicts, so you won't get double booked. For smoother scheduling, consider setting clear durations and buffers between meetings, and make sure your time zone is correct so recipients see the right options. This approach is ideal for quick calls, interviews, and client sessions where you just want someone to pick a slot and confirm. The second method is sharing via a Notion page, which is the most flexible for ongoing collaboration. Instead of sharing the calendar app itself, create or open a Notion database and view it as a calendar. In the top right corner, click Share. You can invite specific people or copy a public link, depending on how open you want access to be. Anyone with access can view your calendar tasks, and if you allow it, they can edit too. This is especially useful for personal sharing with a partner or close friends, as well as small teams that need to see tasks, due dates, and event details together. For clarity, you can create filtered views to show only what's relevant and adjust permissions so viewers can't accidentally change important items. A quick but important reminder: Notion Calendar doesn't offer a single public full calendar link like Google Calendar does. Instead, sharing happens through availability links for bookings, through workspace or team access, and through Notion pages or databases that contain your calendar view. If you want simple scheduling, use the availability link. If you want shared visibility and collaboration, share the Notion page or database. That's all you need to confidently share your Notion calendar. Pick the method that matches your goal, send the link, and you're set.